Hey guys, how's it going? How to use Kraken's convert tool for quick trades. So first of all, go ahead and open up your Kraken and click the arrow thing at the bottom middle, right? And you're gonna see the convert tool from here, and you're gonna be able to exchange cryptos. So if you want to switch from Bitcoin to Ethereum, you can just go ahead and select let's say for example the percentage, for example, right? So I'm gonna switch from Bitcoin to Ethereum, or if I wanted to change, I could just change from Ethereum to any other crypto or even fiat currency, right? So I'm gonna, let's say for example, use Shiba, right? And then just go ahead and see right here the order type, convert now, recurring, or custom, right? Convert when the target price is reached, right? And then basically hit continue, right? And then basically buy when target price is reached, right? And this is for custom order. For my case, I'm gonna just convert now, and I could just, by swiping to confirm, I can switch from Bitcoin to Shiba in no time. It just matter of seconds. So let's find out the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.